Greetings everyone and welcome to Utique Bridal. I recently had the opportunity to be part of Williams Sonoma, the Store is Yours gift registry event. I want to thank Alessandra and the Williams Sonoma Town Country team for hosting and organizing a fun event for the brides, grooms, and also the vendors. It was nice to meet and be there alongside other vendors such as Heat Floral, Pure Plush Photography, and Coravin. Prizes and gift bags were given away, so congratulations to the winners. I had such a great time with my bow tie challenge. I gave the grooms 3 chances to accomplish the bow tie, and then they could win a prize for the bride. So let's see what happens.
Now take the longer side and cross it over, then feed it through the loop.
I feel like I don't have it close, and you guys really think I'm there, and I'm not even close.
Let's see what you got though.
Yeah.
I don't know. I
Take your
just
hands
need
up.
it to be tight. It's just not tight. It's
You got 2 more tries.
Okay, I gotta learn. I feel like I need to learn this.
Beginning.
Sure, it's
Just
really
stretch.
near. Stretch it out.
Stretch it, stretch it.
Loosen up.
Longer
Yeah.
than the other.
I think I just keep not getting it tight, but it's like.
Could I try?
Yeah.
On you? I feel like I can do this.
Right? Okay.
That's what I got.
Yay!
Wait, I want to try this.
Yeah.
Okay. We get both of y'all in there. Like this?
Yeah, so you can see the loop from the side. You see it? There it is. Yep. There you go. Yeah, this is the tricky part. When you're trying to pull it through and you adjust
Now all you
it.
have to do is shape it.
There you
by
go.
pulling on both ends
There
of
you
the bow
go.
tie. Now if you got it on your first try, you're pretty awesome.
Yay!
Anything like us,
There it is.
Yay!
Did I do it?
Yes, you did.
Looks pretty perfect to me. There we are.
Yes! Let's see. Almost. Almost. Oh, so close, so close. Tell me when you're ready, so you can start. This is your official second chance.
Okay. So let's hold on, babe.
No, we need the wording.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm ready. Okay. Let's see.
Okay.
and cross it over, then feed it through the loop. And pull.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Okay.
You
Okay.
got
Hold
it.
on.
Yep.
Where is the loop?
It should
Ah,
now have
yeah,
a
there
little
you go.
loop.
There you go.
No,
Ends of the bow
babe.
tie. Now if you got it on your
So close, so close.
I think I can do it.
You can do it.
I think I can do it.
Okay. Let's see the.
Please. I got a bow tie.
You got the bow tie.
It was really fun to see how determined and focused the gentlemen were, and interesting to see the brides want to help on the 3rd and final try. And they got it on their very first try. Way to go to the couples. They're just so cute. And of course, I was there to present my Luxe DIY Veil kit, and it's always so fun to educate the brides on the options that they have from the kit, and I love it when I see their face light up, realizing how many different styles they can create from this one veil kit. I was so happy to see Melissa back at the Store is Yours event because I had met her at the first Williams Sonoma Town Country event I attended, and she had purchased the DIY veil kit. I can't wait to see what she creates. As you guys may know, I enjoy collecting marriage tips for us, so I hope you enjoyed these as much as I did.
Vivi, 42 years. Never lose your identity. Be yourself. No giving for any man. Try to enjoy every day, each day at a time.
I'll be married 30 years in October. And so my tip for you guys just starting out is to, at least in my marriage, I'm in charge of all the big decisions, and my wife makes all the little decisions.
How did you guys get to
And
that?
so after about 30 years, I'm still waiting to make that first decision. So good luck to you. Follow that advice, and you'll make it to
And
30
your name,
years.
your first name.
I'm Warren.
Warren. Thank you, Warren. I love the way Warren set up his marriage tip because he really got me good. Well, thank you for visiting, and also thank you to Roz for all the behind-the-scenes help. I am grateful for the opportunity to collaborate with Williams Sonoma Town Country. because one of their core values is to inspire others to create. So go and have fun and start your wedding registry, and while there, check out their cooking classes. Well, I hope you have an extraordinary day, and don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and the bell so you can receive notification when I have a new tutorial or when I have an upcoming event.